So students, we will start with question number 7 of exercise 3.1. Question number 7 of exercise 3.1 is the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows: 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540 and 2820. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. You have to find the mean enrollment, or you can say average, or you can say arithmetic mean of the following data. So students, let's solve question number 7 of exercise 3.1. Question number 7 is, we have to calculate the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years. And that are 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820, and that comes to be 12,348. Now students, we have to calculate the mean. So what is the formula for the mean? Mean is equal to sum of enrollments upon number of years, and sum of enrollment, that is equal to 12,348, and number of years, that is 6. So we will divide 12,348 by 6. So 12,348 is divided by 6, and our answer is 2058. So we can say that mean is 2058. Now students, we will solve question number 8 of exercise 3.1, and question number 8 is the rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Rainfall in millimeter: on Monday it was 0.0 millimeter, Tuesday 12.2 millimeter, Wednesday 2.1 millimeter, Thursday 0.0 millimeter, Friday 20.5 millimeter, Saturday 5.5 millimeter, Sunday 1.0 millimeter. Now, first part of question number 8 is find the range of the rainfall in the above data. You have to find the range of rainfall in the above data. Range means highest value minus lowest value. In this way, you can find the range of the rainfall. And in second part, you have to find the mean rainfall for the week. In second part, what you have to find? You have to find the mean rainfall for the week. And third part, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? You have to tell that, and on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall, that you have to tell. So student, let's solve question number 8, first part. You have to find the range of rainfall. Range of rainfall is highest rainfall minus lowest rainfall. Highest rainfall is 20.5 and lowest is 0.0. So difference of 20.5 and 0.0 is 20.5 millimeters. So we can say that the range of rainfall is 24.5 millimeter. In second part, you have to find the mean rainfall for a week. To find the mean rainfall for a week, the formula is sum of all observations upon number of days. Sum of all observation, that is dividing 41.3 by 7, we will get 5.9 millimeters. So we can say that mean is 5.9 millimeter. Now we will write the answer of third part of question number 8. That is on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. So as we know that mean is equal to 5.9 millimeter. So on 5 days, that is on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, the rainfall was less than the mean rainfall. In this way, you have to write the answer of third part of question number 8. Now students, we will solve the last question of exercise 3.1, and that is question number 9. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter, and the result are as follows. So heights of 10 girls are given. That is 135 centimeter, 150 centimeter, 139 centimeter, 128 centimeter, 151 centimeter, 132 centimeter, 146 centimeter, 149 centimeter, 143 centimeter and 141 centimeter. These are the heights of 10 girls in centimeters. Now, first part, what is the height of the tallest girl? You have to find the height of the tallest girl. And then second part is, what is the height of the shortest girl? Shortest girl height you have to find out. And third part is, what is the range of the data? You have to find the range of the data, that is height of the tallest girl minus height of the shortest girl. In this way you can find the range of the data. What is the mean height of the girl? And then you have to find the mean height of the girl. Fifth part is, how many girls have height more than the mean height? You have to tell that how many girls have more than the mean height of the girls, that you have to tell. Students, as you can see, heights of 10 girls are given, that are 135 centimeter, 150 centimeter, 139 centimeter, 128 centimeter, 151 centimeter, 132 centimeter, 146 centimeter, 149 centimeter, 143 centimeter and 141 centimeter. From this data, you have to tell the height of the tallest girl. So, height of the tallest girl is 151 centimeter. This 151 centimeter is the height of the tallest girl. Then you have to find the height of the shortest girl. Then height of the shortest girl, that is equal to 128 centimeter. See, 128 centimeter, that is the height of the shortest girl. Now you have to find the range of the data. To find the range of the data, we have to subtract maximum height minus minimum height. So, range of the data, that is equal to maximum height minus minimum height, that is 151 centimeter minus 128 centimeter. Difference of 151 and 128 is 23 centimeter. So, we can say that range of the data is 23 centimeter. Now, let's solve part 4 of question number 9, and that is, what is the mean height of the girls? So, mean height of the girls, that is equal to sum of all the observations upon number of girls. This is the formula to find the mean height of girls. That is sum of all the observations upon number of girls. Sum of all the observation, that is equal to 135 plus 150 plus 139 plus 128 plus 151 plus 132 plus 146 plus 149 plus 143 plus 141 upon 10, because number of girls are 10. So, after adding all these numbers, we will get 1414 upon 10. By dividing 1414 by 10, we will get 141.4 centimeters. So, we can say that mean height of the girls, that is equal to 141.4 centimeter. Now students, we have to solve fifth part of question number 9, and that is, how many girls have height more than the mean height? Now, mean height is 141.4 centimeter that we have calculated just now. Now we have to tell how many girls have more height than mean height. So 5 girls have height more than the mean height, and these 5 girls are, 5 girls which have more than the mean height are 150 centimeter, because it is more than 141.4 centimeter, because mean height is 141.4 centimeter. So 150 centimeter is more than 141.4 centimeter. 151 centimeter, this is also more, 146 centimeter, 149 centimeter and 143 centimeter are the 5 girls which have height more than the mean height. So students, this is the end of exercise 3.1. We will meet again with the next exercise, that is exercise 3.2 in our next video. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.